So my replacement MagSafe power adapter has arrived. I ordered it from the BT business shop because I got 10% cashback discount. Well, that's pending, still to arrive, but the price originally came to just 42 pence over the Apple Store price, but when I take the 10% off, obviously it will be cheaper. The problem I had was waiting for the thing to arrive. I was a little impatient, and obviously it would have been quicker direct from the Apple shop as I live near one. Anyway, this should have worked out cheaper, and it's very simple. You just pull it out, it's nice and tight. You got a little sleeve there, explains the configuration. Now my previous one, well, you can see it's badly tied up now. That's because it had it, the weak point gave way, even though I was wrapping it up with a bit of extra space. Eventually it gave way, so I had to order a new one. With the new one, I will be putting sugru around here to strengthen it up. Maybe we can show it in another video when I get round to it. So what do we have? We appear to have an instruction booklet which basically tells you to plug the one bit in to the main block and then into the wall, fairly obvious, and also instructions on how to wrap it up. Let's open it up so you can see that a bit better. Well, it's all the random warranty sheets. 1 year limited warranty on that. Probably just after that year it'll break. There's the main block. There's the bit I'm going to use sugru with. And there's the MagSafe end. Actually comes with a little protector, which is pretty cool, which I'll probably lose straight away. Has a little bit to peel off as well. What I didn't have before, because as you note, I have the UK plug in there, and when I travel, I just put the US version in there, which is actually very neat. Inside here, we have another UK plug, which simply you slide in and you're away. So that is good to go. That's exactly what I need. But also you get this one. It's a lot thicker, fatter, a lot stronger. This bit simply goes into there, and then you can plug in there. Now perhaps I'll use that when I'm at home, maybe. Not sure really what I need that for. I'm definitely not going to travel with this piece because, quite frankly, it defeats the object. So that goes into there like that, and you're away.